So, good day, I'm King Cyrus C. De Castro, and today I'll present a research study titled Alley Cropping for Sustainable Agriculture in the topics by Garrity 1995. So, this research it discusses about how alley cropping can help address soil degradation and improve crop productivity, especially in tropical farming systems. So, introduction. So, alley cropping is a sustainable agroforestry practice where crops grow between rows of trees. So, in tropical areas, it helps reduce erosion, improve soil fertility, and boost crop yields. So alley cropping it involves growing of crops between rows of trees. So these crops is it's usually an plants that is nitrogen fixing species. So in tropical regions, so this technique can improve soil quality and reduce soil erosion. So this study I'm presenting it explores how effective these methods is in making agriculture more sustainable in these areas. So methods, so this study it summarizes the field experiments from typical countries. So it includes the Philippines, trees like Lyricidia planted along the slopes and crops like maize were grown in between. So researchers collected data on soil fertility, erosion, and crop yield. So they also considered farmer experiences to evaluate the practicality of the system. So in results and discussion, so as you can see, here are data provided by the researchers, so including the soil nitrogen, organic matter, maize yield, erosion challenges. So the result it shows significant improvement in soil fertility and yield. So the nitrogen levels increased thanks to the nitrogen fixing trees, and erosion on slopes was reduced up to 90%. However, the system requires regular pruning to prevent shade, which can be challenges, especially sa mga farmers. And here are the reference I used in the main study by Garrity. So this work supports the importance of agroforestry practices like alley cropping for sustainable tropical agriculture. So that's it, and I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless.